bring you something you guys had and say thank you?
Yeah.
Hell nah. Oh, I'm
Nah,
so loud, Junior.
I'm done.
Good morning. Welcome to my channel. My name is Doll. Welcome to a mini episode of my life. I'm going to brunch before I go to grocery shopping. Parce que I'm in storm boile. I have a lot of storm going through, so I'm going to get me some breakfast first. Mal manger. Breakfast premier. But store sa I'm vin nan store sa parce que m konnen bagay yo pas tellement expensive in here. But let and behold, everything's so expensive. Those are all the stores that I'm going to. Walmart, Publix, Whole Foods Store, Target, Caribbean 1, Caribbean 2, Dollar Tree. I didn't think I would go to the Publix part because I went to get some fruits at Publix because I like some fruits at Publix, and also the Whole Food Store. I went there to get chicken breast because I like the chicken breast and croissant and what else? I think there's a lot of other little stuff that I went there to get to, but I forgot. Let's keep watching. Some of the video I'm gonna be talking, some of them I'm not, because this video was recorded prior, so now I'm just doing a voiceover to certain part that don't have. I wasn't talking pretty much. When I went there, the rice was so expensive. The one that usually be 40 something dollars. I think I said 30, but it was 30. 40 something bucks. It was $64. I'm like, what? That was like, what in the Jesus got going on? Oh my God, $63? I wasn't shocked the rice was $64. Like, for 50 pounds. It's like $1 something pound. That's crazy. D'habitude, je me dirais ça que t'es plus baboui, but en réalité, pas quelqu'un qui t'es plus baboui. You know what? I'm mad now. Sa que before, the man not Caribbean store, they get Malia. The man buy rice. Rice literally was $50. You guys see that? Shit used to be $20. Not $30. It used to be $40. Okay, tell me my shit series. I don't want to be doing nothing, so, yeah, I'm not going to give you anything. Mwen vat kon di sa mde pa. Li bon ansan nan man a gos. Mwen akone. Men sak ti em nan, lwen la sikan $4. Pa akone pou ki sa. Lo kote li pi babo. So san yo em di ven vin nan yon kwe we. Yon sa kwe fe, an bala che avocado we. Mwen se son selul sa mde ka fwi bagay paske mwen me fwi. E bal kon yon $29 la. Vin bon $29. Mwen men gen 10 bagay no pou san $1,000. But I'm getting bad on people. I'm complaining about that. Until they dispass this bagay. I'm just happy with it. Yeah.
Bro, fuck out with that much tape.
Se nan store sa ti riyate van pi bagayans avec tout l'huile là. So, when you na Caribbean store sa pou mka achete, ki sa mde vin achete ankon? Nan achete banan, patat, ansan avec piment, because mwen epi yon sa piki. Epi, ki sa mde achete ankon? Yeah, I'm pas tellement changé tout pareil ça mon tête. So, let's get there, keep you marketing. Which one I like better? So,
Sour orange.
so I see. Deep mundula. Decemment. So I see I vraiment pourri. Decemment mundula. Well, finally found you. Je sais pas de café patate avec because my patate avec really don't know how to say it in English. Oh, sweet potatoes. What? Are you fait ça sur moi. Puis c'est un patate avec. J'ai aussi patate pas plutôt. Chaque machine cocoye, ande cocoye a toujours gardé. Ma bonne qui ça. N'a choisi moi qui cocoye am sou quel gain de là, ne pas t'amener là quand pour m'utiliser le gars maïdo. Et ça qui puis faut n'a acheter cocoye là quand même. C'est la chercher toujours c'est me devait 3 cocoye. N'a acheté pour n'a fait maquette pour un petit temps. So me devait 3 cocoye. Parce que mon font utiliser cocoye avec. So qu'on y a là, nous pour aller dans Walmart. Ça me dit acheter dans Walmart. En pile l'autre bagaille. So, il mérite un produit parce que je vais choisir de venir acheter dans Mango ça, m'a compris ça il a vendre. Je devais faire du mango. M'a compris ça il a vendre. Normalement toujours besoin acheter tout fruit organique, mais quand je n'organique mango, me déjà c'est whatever ça le fait parce que mango qui notre Dieu. Et c'est donc qui notre Dieu, c'est sûr.
Why is so big? This is not big. They literally put.
Am I the only one every time I went to buy something I need to get the thing on the bottom? I don't know why. But quand pile me l'homme de manger là qui est bon, qui est lourd, qui est là. But moi retire l'homme traverser pour prendre l'autre. Bah on est tout bagage toujours à l'acheter nous besoin de qui boîte là t'es ouvert, qui boîte là va ouvert besoin de. Oh my god. Make sure tu prends moi organique parce que mais quand on va qui a a lot of gym and on appeal so usually we take on more organic c'est pas organique mais mais mine na store parce que so quand on ma pile longtemps dem dia item dem dem mai bui vai bucane na pinsi mana bucane mai na mai pucrev mai pus mai va mai like but beside the point make sure no acheter qu'on organique parce que on vraiment oops. Tout le monde qui toujours amené côté marché fromage la vache qui vieux. Acheter fromage la vache qui vieux dans Walmart. And then, I'm gonna show no public super public sont déjà more pricier. And then when you more font gros package qui est 14 $, pour $7. Bien, so I'm doing the choisir flour. I'm toujours acheter flour peut-être moins. So, even though yeah, moi recevoir flour, but toujours voulais acheter flour peut-être moins ça sur l'autre. It means something else for me personally. Je ne demande juste parce que ça ne demande là. Vraiment, on va changer ça ne demande. Et bien, c'est la vie bagala, on charge ça, on cherche.
Oh my god, those are big too. You don't lie.
Moi ici fin shopping. Gabel bagay qui m'a montré but moi ici fin shopping. So, sinon on dit tout, me fait like toute vidéo, me fait la faire vidéo, me fait please dans la store. I don't know. Because I miss sushi, but I'm just going to hit for sushi. I don't know why. More than like raw, but is that raw sushi? Like I'm not. Never mind. So I did buy it, but I didn't eat it. C'est ça le part.
But this shit is in.
Croissant ça, je me saisis. Moi je dis 4 games croissant pour euro là. Non. Quand il y a mis membership Casco, mal acheter croissant dans Casco. Less money.
Yes, I lost my key. Bingo!
M'a dormi changer rêver ça m'a lâché dans le Target pour bien dire. Yeah, malandon. M'a filmé, yeah, malandon. Oh, no. Yeah, no. M'a changé. So, malandon, ça fait qu'on est acheté, m'était on réussi pointé. That's it.
I know.
Ni mba chanje san da la chen Dollar Tree either. So, yes. Oh non, m chanje, da la chen bol. E puis ke, mwen retounen la kay mwen pou vini range tout fatra sa yo. Di pou mwen pil tan. Sorry, mwen range tout manje sa yo. Ou nye di pou mwen pil tan avan mwen resi vini range ba yo. So, badan vini range la, mwen vini range kay mwen sal tan pou pa kouchan. So, jous an mwen se mde deman 9, pa 9 non? 17 matin. Just mwen deka manje, mwen deka clean vegete ya. So yes, I'm about to wash the fruits, all of them, so I can put them in the fridge. I try to wash them first because les petits m'ont venu de manger fruits, manger sans laver. C'est ma petite malade bien de mettre dans le frigidaire. So yes, ça me dérange pas si on a acheté grapes dans Publix. Yeah, ça me connaît pas dans sushi. So I use and strawberry. I want to get those things from Publix. I like my fruits from Publix or Whole Foods store. Depend. If I went over there and then the fruits are dead, I'm not going to buy it. I'm going to find somewhere else. And then, ça qui plus frais, de m'aller dans la chef strawberry, me virer tout dans le strawberry, me prendre tout ça qui me retirer tout ça pas bon, mettre au bac dans box et me prendre tout ça bon dans box ça mettre dans pas maintenant. So, on va la chef strawberry qui already got even have la carne. Drive me nuts. But they buy strawberry, so they acheter une et qui n'a déjà get some up there qui gâteau am just utiliser pour toi am couper am to buy baby pour baby manger. So that's pretty much it what I did with my fruits. I used I get my veggie water from Walmart, the one that I wash my vegetables. So I'm going to use it. It's right there in the white that bottle. So yep, that's what I do to get my fruits a-okay. And I just learned you're supposed to put your ginger on the fridge. Yeah. So I don't know. At the time I didn't know that, so now I know better. So I'm never gonna put them in the fridge anymore.
then get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-Class. That's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games. The shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more Purple Rain Prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment, I stay expecting it. The pessimists, gold medalists, flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens down.
Drop that right with you, I feel like scoring
If you can help me, we can be ready. This is magical.
They sound better tonight. Fine.
Yes, baby.
So that's great. They walk right past me. I'm one of them.
Jesus Christ, Lord. Não é do gosto já. If you get this far into the video, I do want to say thank you again. My name is Luis. Thank you for watching today. And also, I do want to say thank you for all my supporters and thank you for my new subscribers. If you come here, you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to